about that, thank you so much, my friend, my brother and sister. Today, I want to come and read for you the Bible about little bit and Matthew chapter 10, verse 28 talk about do not be afraid of those who keep the body, kill the body, but cannot kill the soul. Rather be afraid of the one who can destroy both soul and bodies in hell. This meaning about I want to talk about the do not be afraid of those who kill the body. Okay, today only this one. I don't want to make a read a Bible so long because what somebody bored about reading Bible. Okay, pay lo yekle pakwa so sit tolo bakale siwira la lima the asado tasi asapo kisi khone tebada dile do polo amati panoko do mati patha tatheba tapane tutapli ole mimi rini ane pli pwala amahago patado panoko la rapu te de ganirki baba pli pagnyola amati panoko do nosa putermala kahelo pwala narapu de gane na baba plio awani lo tebra mano pasana kiro peido yekle ye ero phakwa la bakhala lisoshi taba twenty part sepo. I want to keep going and reading about them. Isaiah chapter 8 verse 12 talk about here. Do not cause conspiracy. Everything that these people cause conspiracy. Do not feel that they feel, and do not dread it. Do not feel that they feel. Mean when you picture mala tilba plida ditro awati plida ba devra din mano. Do not feel that they fears. When you meet Dr. Miller Pakropatu Patala Tamu Pusikolo. Pedro Pakle Pakwa la we saya aselo support sikini devra dilem. Dosiweda sila takara top olo kaya tala pagamu sila takara top again degi do pli ata pli alone degi do bayu tataki tatamugamu ayua pagden mano bayu tataki panelo pag no tatamugamu ayua ni paso sure ki pagdete ma tagi wenelo no ba kamara temi lalani padbalu plitaba matal agita leral agita no awani padbalu pliwa nyono gaba data metato nagba data metato no nemete data metato one in the plita no do not be afraid. Okay, do not call compression. Awani pakra patu patala patamu pusikolo paini pakile kwa la Jeremiah chapter 1, the verse 8 talk about that do not be afraid of them, for I am with you and will rescue you, declare the Lord. When you put it no, pain in the balu plida, balu pli away ba, David Mano, for I am with you. Do you order na, put it and will rescue you. Put it you get to that winner. No, we want to declare the Lord. I want to yoga to run it all. No, Tala yoga to run it, me tala tap with sicolo. Paid off the only pakwa tata mile tamata sicolo, but tamupu, what they were ama sicolo, but tapitamapuno. Pain it pakele quala, no, 1 Peter chapter 3 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 14 talk about but even if you suffers for what is right you are blessed. Do not feel why they feel. Do not be frightened. I want to put mal pain in the no nama patu pathala sufferance for doing good. Tell me learn on the bahilotala tala a pa no nagbahi lo tara mata agiti pani lo pakro patu pata la tati la pai ne meta la Patamupu, Pokrasukumo Sikolo, Patapitamapu Sikolo. We should know about that, okay? Pain it ever up temperature, Serother, a sub pool, the siluni devadile, Mimi, Thume ba tapotana le tatotalo, a hodo, Thubasugilo, the Thutapli, a wealthy atama plinigi, Tukutawadigi, Pagitama, a winilomano, Tukutawadigi. Tama please sequani netu the balo pli or the gay when it pretended him. Tameta tolu negamatilo, Basanta Portana in the Mahelo Salo, the migi to me in the Pacro Patu Pasala, Patamu Sicolo, Basanakiro Paini Ero Lepal, Aro the Co, Bacala, the Soci, the Sepo at Bagdetama Tamatwe, Basanakiro yet a palamano. The meaning, but Bathinyalo Pathala pain, do not be afraid of those who kill the body. But dead malan, the ball bleed out of ball, a mati to no coa. A when it pacru patu pathala petam pusicolo, que memedinally double a little calito, more pacru sucumulo petino palo, petamupo. Petaletaki, petapitama, petauta supuniki, a when it metal labagderma, melon. We're Mia Pune, Jeremiah is the God, the core of Jeremiah. No, I want to put it but data, but data, no, speak up. Do not quiet, okay, speak up. I want a very important thing. You should think about the thing is that become you are the preachers or you do missionaries, okay, don't be afraid. You should tell them about the gospel. Exactly the truth. You don't tell them the truth, this is the wrong coming to you. This is a punishment too. No. Okay, today is the I reading about the Matthew chapter 10 verse 28. Do not be afraid of those who kill the body but cannot kill the soul. Rather be afraid of the one who can destroy both and soul. Okay. Both soul and body in him. This meaning about the very important to us and we should think about carefully in our life. Okay, and here is I want to remind you about that you want to read in Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 8, Isaiah chapter 8 verse 12, and 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 14. Go back to theirs and read carefully and read all things about that. You will know exactly what is the meaning about. Okay, I'm not good enough and reading about today. I want to finish this right now. I will come back tomorrow. Is that I want to read for you the so many Bible verse. Okay, thank you so much today, my friends, my brother and sister. Okay, have a good night and a good sleep. And tomorrow we have to go to work, and then you will be good too. Okay, tomorrow God will have you, and then your family should be good happiness. Okay, I think about all my friends and brother and sister. Every person in the world should be have happiness. Okay, thank you so much today. God bless you all. Bye bye, my friend, my brother and sister. Where should